Fast cars. For sure, fast car. Look at this. Yup. At the boat show. And this is what's here. Look at this. Nice boats, hey? Wow, look at this place. I love the boat show. You never know what you're gonna see here. Yup. Very nice. Very nice. Buy a new boat and you get a new Yamaha four-wheeler. That's pretty nice. This is why I'm here, this Zodiac. Check this Zodiac out. That's a boat. Yeah. Go fishing in this puppy pretty easy. It's a lot of money. Beautiful. Gorgeous. There you go. This is kind of like the one I have. The small boats. There's the one I have over there. This is a nice Zod too. Caravan. It's beautiful. Nice Zodiac. Heading into all the people. We buy fishing gear. Nice gaffs. Nice fishing gear. Great for halibut. Oops, so sorry. Excuse me. For halibut. Nice gnats. Don't see any spears around here. I'm after a spear. Wow, look at all the gear. Ooh. Yup. It's pretty nice.
Thanks so much.
Pen. Very nice. Pen reels. Gorgeous.
It's a different thing.
Nice. Salmon flashers. So scoop by y'all. Look at this rack of rods. Ooh, gotta check this out.
And I worked for him for years. Like I took a couple years.
Look at this. Nice. Yeah. Wow. Nice colored lures, hey? Beautiful. This is nice. It's a real spring killer there. Anyway, this is the Boat Show 2020. Look at that reel. All the best, everybody. Much love and respect.